My name is Samarth and I am from Faridabad, Haryana. Actually, I am a working professional in a logistic industry and I have more than 75 experience in that. I'm a BC graduate. Yeah, actually, after graduation, I started my career as a digital marketing, but later on I moved to the separate, different profile. But inside my that I love digital marketing part. So I do have a YouTube channel as well. That is the only way that I'm connected to a digital marketing part. But it's a basic. I know about the basic part, but uh, to know at the extent level, so I have to join a course. But I am searching like digital marketing course on the Google. But later on, my colleague told me about the Digital Vidya, so I joined that course from the Digital Vidya. Yeah, actually, I'm a working professional, so it's a 9 to 5 job. I do have the time only on Sunday. I took the Sunday classes, so it took me around 1 year to complete that course. But the overall journey, I can say it's a very good learning experience that, and all the teachers are very good. And there are a lot of assignments I did. It took me around 1 year because I was taking Sunday classes, and it's not about like learning. We have to do practice each and every day, but that part was missing from my end. But a month ago I enrolled for the examination, so I quickly revise all the thing. So yes, absolutely. I the main the main reason to join that course is to I just want to change my career to the digital marketing part. That is my main goal. So I believe that it will help me in the future. But it will, it's not about learning. You have to practice each and every day
Right.
because it's a evolving, industry.